Have you attempted to manifest your desires through various techniques but have not seen any results? What if I told you that there is a technique suggested by none other than Neville Goddard himself that allows you to effortlessly and instantly manifest everything you desire? You may have tried Neville Goddard's ladder technique or SATS technique in the past, but this technique I'm about to introduce is completely different. It's known as the mental movie technique, and let me tell you, it's incredible and delivers instant results. In this video, I will guide you through 5 simple steps to practice this technique and manifest your greatest desire within a matter of days. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our content. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. Step 1. Define your desired outcome. Before you practice the mental movie technique, it is essential to begin by defining your desired outcome. Take a moment to delve deep within yourself and explore the core of your being. Reflect on what truly ignites your passion, what brings you joy, and what you sincerely desire to manifest in your life. Clarity is key in this step. The more specific and detailed you can be about your desired outcome, the better. It is not enough to say, "I want more money," or "I want a better job." Instead, clearly articulate the amount of money you desire, how it will positively impact your life, and the specific job you aspire to have. The more you can paint a vivid picture in your mind, the easier it will be to create a mental movie around it. Write down your desired outcome in clear, positive language. Use the present tense as if it has already been realized. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," reframe it as, "I am fit, healthy, and vibrant at my ideal weight of." Insert your desired weight here. As you define your desired outcome, allow yourself to dream big and let go of any limitations or doubts. This is your opportunity to set the stage for the life you truly want to live. Step 2. Create a vivid mental movie. With your desired outcome defined, it is time to bring it to life through the creation of a vivid mental movie. The mental movie technique invites you to tap into the power of your imagination and immerse yourself fully in the experience of your desired reality. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to settle. As you enter a state of relaxation, envision a movie screen in the theater of your mind. Begin to play your mental movie, starting with the scene that represents the fulfillment of your desired outcome. See it as if it is happening right now, in the present moment. Engage all your senses to make the experience as real and vivid as possible. Visualize the details. What does the environment look like? Who is present? What are you wearing? What are the colors, shapes, and textures that surround you? Create a clear image in your mind's eye, as if you are watching a movie in high definition. Next, bring the other senses into play. Hear the sounds associated with your desired reality. Are there conversations, music, or natural sounds? Feel the sensations in your body as you interact with the environment. Experience the emotions and joy that come with the fulfillment of your desire. Allow yourself to truly feel what it's like to be in that moment. Immerse yourself fully in this mental movie, suspending disbelief and embracing the idea that this reality is already unfolding. Stay in this visualization for as long as you desire, savoring the experience and basking in the positive emotions it evokes. As you continue to practice the mental movie technique, aim to refine and enhance your mental movie with each iteration. Add more details, make the images crisper, and intensify the sensations. This process will strengthen your belief in the possibility of your desired outcome and amplify the creative power of your imagination. Remember that by creating a vivid mental movie, you are activating the power of your subconscious mind and setting the stage for the physical manifestation of your desires. Step 3. Repeat and reinforce. Now that you have created a vivid mental movie of your desired outcome, it is essential to practice repetition and reinforcement. The power of the mental movie technique lies in its ability to impress your subconscious mind. The more you practice it, the more you impress your subconscious mind. By consistently revisiting and reinforcing your mental movie, you deepen its impact and accelerate the manifestation process. Repetition is key to rewiring your subconscious mind. By repeatedly exposing yourself to the images, emotions, and sensations of your mental movie, you create new neural pathways and strengthen the belief that your desired outcome is already a reality. Think of it as programming your mind to accept and expect the manifestation of your desires. To incorporate repetition into your practice, set aside dedicated time each day to immerse yourself in your mental movie. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus without distractions. Close your eyes and visualize the scenes of your mental movie with utmost clarity and intensity. As you play your mental movie, aim to add more details and refine the experience. Notice any areas that could be enhanced and make adjustments accordingly. The more specific and immersive your mental movie becomes, the more powerful its impact will be on your subconscious mind. While practicing repetition, it is crucial to engage your emotions fully. Remember that emotions are a powerful force in the manifestation process. If you can't visualize your desire with emotions, you can't manifest it. So feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement that come with the realization of your dreams. Allow these positive emotions to permeate every cell of your being. Remember that repetition and reinforcement are not meant to be mechanical or forced. Approach your practice with a sense of joy and enthusiasm. Allow yourself to truly immerse yourself in the experience and embrace the emotions that arise. The more you enjoy the process, the more magnetic and effortless your manifestation becomes. Through repetition and reinforcement, you are conditioning your subconscious mind to accept and expect the manifestation of your desires. With each repetition, you strengthen your faith in the process and cultivate a deep sense of trust that your desired outcome is on its way to you. Step 4. Embrace a new identity. It's now time to embrace a new identity that reflects the manifestation of your dreams. Shifting your state and adopting a new version of yourself is a powerful way to accelerate the manifestation process and fully embody the reality you wish to create. Begin by identifying the qualities, traits, and characteristics that align with your desired outcome. Consider the person you need to become to effortlessly attract and sustain your manifested desires. For example, if your mental movie involves financial abundance, envision yourself as someone confident, financially savvy, and skilled in managing wealth. Once you have a clear vision of your new identity, start integrating it into your daily life. Embrace the thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors of this new version of yourself. Act as if you have already stepped into this identity and fully embody it in every aspect of your being. Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with this new identity and let them permeate your thoughts and actions. Let go of any past beliefs or self-perceptions that no longer serve your manifestation journey. Release the limitations and doubts that may have held you back in the past. Remember, you are not confined by your past or present circumstances. You have the power to shape your reality by embodying the version of yourself that is aligned with your desired outcome. As you embrace your new identity, be mindful of the language you use to describe yourself and your desires. Speak affirmatively and with conviction, reinforcing your new identity and the reality you are manifesting. Replace self-limiting statements with empowering ones that affirm your worthiness and ability to attract your desires. For example, instead of saying, "I hope to achieve my goals," say, "I am already on the path to achieving my goals and success is inevitable." Consistently reinforce your new identity through daily practices and rituals. Affirmations, visualization, and meditation can all be powerful tools for strengthening your belief in this new version of yourself. Engage in activities that support and reinforce the qualities and traits you aspire to embody. Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you, and seek out resources and knowledge that align with your new identity. Throughout this process, be gentle with yourself and allow for growth and evolution, because embracing a new identity is a journey, and it may take time to fully integrate and embody your desired reality. Celebrate every step forward and acknowledge the progress you are making. Step 5. Trust and let go. The fifth and last step is to cultivate trust and let go of attachment to the outcome. Trusting the process and surrendering to the power of your imagination and thoughts are essential aspects of manifesting your desires through the mental movie technique. Believe in the power of your thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Your mental movie has set the stage for the manifestation of your desires, and by aligning your thoughts and actions with them, you are actively co-creating your reality. Trust that the seeds you have planted in your subconscious mind are germinating and growing, even if you cannot see immediate physical evidence. Let go of the need to control or micromanage the how of your manifestation. Release any attachment to the outcome and surrender to the flow of life. This does not mean giving up or being passive, but rather trusting that your desires will manifest in the best possible way for your highest good. Detaching from the outcome allows you to create space for miracles and unexpected opportunities to come into your life. When you release the grip of control and surrender to the power of your imagination and thoughts, you open yourself up to receive abundance and possibilities that may have been beyond your imagination. Maintain a positive and open mindset, knowing that your desired outcome is on its way to you. Avoid dwelling on doubt, fear, or impatience. Instead, focus on gratitude and appreciation for what you have already manifested and what is yet to come. Gratitude amplifies the positive energy within you and attracts more reasons to be grateful. Practice self-care and self-love during this process. Nurture yourself physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Take time for activities that bring you joy and raise your vibrational frequency. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and inspire you. By taking care of yourself, you create fertile ground for manifestation to occur. Trust that setbacks and challenges are part of the journey. They are opportunities for growth and transformation. Embrace them as valuable lessons that will ultimately lead you closer to your desired outcome. Trust that even in the face of obstacles, you have the strength and resilience to overcome them and continue moving forward. Keep your focus on the present moment and the progress you are making. Avoid becoming fixated on the future or obsessively checking for signs of manifestation. Stay grounded in the now and appreciate the journey itself. The more you can embody a sense of peace and trust, the more effortlessly your desired reality will unfold. Remember that the power of your imagination and thoughts is at work. Sometimes the manifestation of your desires may come in a different form or at a different time than you anticipated. Trust that what is meant for you will find its way into your life, and what is not meant for you will gracefully fade away. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of this amazing Neville Goddard's manifestation method. Of course, this does not mean that we necessarily agree with everything he said or believed in, because, in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, which is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.